Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever sent a document for signature in Docusign and the recipient says they didn't get it, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to resend a Docusign document in 2025, quickly and easily, whether it's a missed email or you just need a follow-up. This full guide will walk you through every step so you can get those signatures without delay. Let's dive right in. Access your Docusign account. First, open your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Click the login button at the top right and enter your username and password. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Go to the Agreements section. Once inside your account, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Agreements tab. This is where all your documents live, drafts, completed files, and everything you've sent out. Open the Sent folder inside the Agreements area. Select the Sent folder. This is where you'll find every document you've already dispatched for signatures. Locate the document to resend, scroll through the list, or use the search bar to quickly find the document you need to resend. Click to highlight or select it so you can take action. Initiate the resend next to the document's name. You'll see a small three-dot icon. This is the action menu. Click it, and a list of options will appear. From that list, choose Resend, Confirm, and Send. The moment you select Resend, Docusign immediately sends a fresh email notification to the recipient. There's no need to upload anything again or make edits. The document and signature request stay exactly the same, and that's it. Resending a Docusign document in 2025 is truly that simple. No re-uploading, no complicated steps, just a quick resend to keep your workflow moving. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.